Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best outdoor roller skates for men. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every kind of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Riedell Dart Quad Roller Skates. For you fellas out there looking for a good, basic skate on a budget, or are into some beginner speed skating or roller derby, then check out the Riedell Dart. These quads come in 3 different flavors: the Dart, Dart Ombre, and Dart Pixel. All 3 of these skates are identical, the only difference is the colors of the boot. All 3 boots are vinyl and have good padding, laces, and a power strap to keep your feet snug and comfortable. All of the skates come with an aluminum skate plate, a BEC 5 bearings, and the Dart 62mm 93A wheels. The original Dart boot is a classic pair of indoor skates that have been around for a while now. It comes in black, blue, or purple. Next, the Ombre comes in a duotone of purple/pink or neon green/black. Finally, the Dart Pixel is the most unique of the 3 with its white, red, gray, and black pixelated design. Boots: Riedell are 3 Dart, Dart Ombre, or Dart Pixel boots in sizes 1 to 14. Check out my roller skating size guide for sizing help. Plates: die-cast aluminum plates. Wheels: Riedell Dart 62mm 93A durometer. Bearings: a BEC 5 bearings. Toe stops: adjustable lock nut. Number 2. SureGrip Black Fame Roller Skate. Another one of my top picks for best men's skates are the SureGrip Fame. These are classic, artistic roller skates that are some of the best skates on the market for the price. I recommend them on a number of my lists because they are a good quality roller skate for the price. First, the traditional high-top boot design is perfect for beginners who need extra ankle support. Next, this quad roller skate has a nylon plate and aluminum trucks. They also sport Fame 4 wheels on each skate, which are made for indoor roller rinks. If you are interested in skating outdoors, then I would go with a different pair of skates or get yourself another set of outdoor roller skate wheels to go with these skates. SureGrip Fame Skate at a glance. Boots: 9J, men's size 14. Check out my roller skating size guide for sizing help. Colors/patterns: black or white. Plates: rock nylon plate. Wheels: Fame 57mm 95A. Bearings: ABEC 5. Toe stop: lock nut adjustable stoppers. Number 3. Bont Quadstar Carbon Roller Skate. Next on our list are the Bont Quadstar. This roller derby skates powerhouse comes from Bont, one of the leading manufacturers of roller derby and speed skates. The Quadstar comes with a 100% Australian leather boot. As with most of these high-end derby skates, Bont recommends that you use their skate sizing chart to get a perfect fit. The boots also have a piece of thermoplastic in the heel of the skate. This allows you to mold your boots with a hairdryer around your foot to get a super custom fit. It takes about 10 minutes to do the heat molding process. This is especially good for skaters with skinny or wide ankles. The fiberglass reinforced Prodigy plate is very lightweight and has 20-degree action. Next, the Bont ballistic wheels are made with premium high-rebounding urethane. They have a 92A durometer, which is good for indoor surfaces. Then, this skate is outfitted with high-precision ABEC 5 bearings to keep your rolling smoothly down the track. Bont Quadstar Highlights Boots: 100% Australian leather with heat-moldable heels. Check out my roller skating size guide for sizing help. Plates: fiberglass Prodigy plate with 20-degree action. Wheels: Bont ballistic 92A durometer 60mm x 40mm. Bearings: a BEC 5 bearings. Toe stops: adjustable cinch screw. Number 4. Epic Nitro Roller Skates. The shoe shaft isn't too long, and the black and gray color combination looks sleek and professional. What's more, the wheels are made of premium quality polyurethane, making transitioning from a professional rink to the streets a breeze. The ADEC 5.8mm precision speed bearings offer you unmatched stability while skating. Plus, these roller skates come with a brake in the front on both skates, ensuring an easy stop for new skaters. All you need to do is accurately measure your feet, order your size, and you'll be skating like a pro in no time. The Epic Skates Super Nitro roller skates are a safe bet if you have a little skating experience. These skates are the perfect blend of reliability and quality, featuring a well-crafted design to give users a smooth and effortless boost. The shoe upper is strategically designed while keeping in mind the natural foot shape, giving you a secure fit. Feature precision speed bearings for added stability. Include a front brake on each skate. Made of comfortable, lightweight polyurethane. Not for aggressive skating. Number 5. Chicago men's roller skates made out of urethane. The skating wheels are sure to be long-lasting. Plus, the semi-precision bearings help you skate swiftly and smoothly, giving you the traction and control you want when rounding tight corners. The traditional boot shape supports your ankle and can be adjusted to your use. And the aluminum base makes for a controlled skating experience. So, if you're looking for classic quad skates, we've chosen this option as our best overall choice. These iconic Chicago men's roller skates are a great way to kick off our list as they're the most popular choice on the market. Well-crafted and designed for impeccable skating, these men's skates can be used on a wide variety of rinks and skating surfaces. Plus, these skates are super comfortable to wear and feel secure thanks to the controlled high top. What's more, the laces on the vinyl boot are premium quality, ensuring a tight fit with maximum security. Well-crafted, superior design. Comfortable, adjustable fit. Features semi-precision bearings for added control. May run a little too big. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.